video is sponsored by giftbest.com. Here you can find RC cars and toys at very cheap rates. You can definitely check it out. Link is given in the description of this video. So today we are going to unbox an RC drone with a camera. It comes with HD camera, voice control, headless mode, custom route and 1800 mAh battery. So let's just open it and see how the drone is. Like aim for this video will be 60 likes. Inside the box we get a drone itself, the controller of the drone and the camera. Here are the propeller guards, some spare propellers and the instruction manual. We also get a cable to charge the battery of the drone. Let me just put the battery of the drone and propeller guards on it. The drone comes with 1800 mAh battery which gives the backup of 10 to 20 minutes on a single charge. The controller uses 3 AA batteries to operate. Let's just turn it on. This is only the unboxing of the drone. I will make a full video soon in which I can explain all the features of the drone and also show you the camera quality.